Welcome everyone to my new video on Polygon price analysis and technical details. As usually, Scrembo here, which takes care about the market from the most rational standpoint possible. It is March 21st and the crypto global market cap has decreased over the past days with 2%, but it still sits above $1 trillion. Actually, it is $1.15 trillion, which sounds good, by the way, considering we're actually heading towards a summer, which, from the way the banking system is positioned at the moment and the world economic is situated, that crisis can improve the market cap of crypto significantly. We could expect here to head towards $1.5 trillion, which means to add another $350 billion on the board. We'll have to see that, guys. In terms of Polygon, well, unfortunately, Polygon out of top 10, it has decreased the most in the past 7 days. It is down by 7%, just like for the past 24 hours, it is down by 4%. We're actually looking at a cryptocurrency which is having a high level of volatility, so we should not be surprised if there is a such decrease amongst the cryptos. Polygon is not having a behavior out of the usual range. This is how it behaves, generally speaking. When it comes down to the perspective of the competition with Cardano, well, market cap has decreased a little. Looking at the Cardano's one, we wiped out $1 billion out of the market cap, but this can be recovered once again, like I said, in a matter of a few days. When Polygon starts moving, it does 20 to 30% movements in a single day. So let's get into the charts and the pricing, not before I touch bases with my other YouTube channel. This is my main one, where I post videos about AI trading, bot trading, and live trades that I perform with this. You can see more about our ChatGPT bot on our main YouTube channel. If you're interested in that, we also have a report with our performance and trading activity that you can see for yourself. On the left side of the page, we have our report based on the weekly activity from our bot trading movement. And then on the right side, how you can join and participate. There's actually two options. Option number one is based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API permission. Option number two is based on the monthly fixed fee, where you execute the signals for yourself and handle the complete process. Now, there's everything explained here, and it's detailed on our page. You can find out more. Links in the description area and comments area to all this, including to the joining page. As well, we have a one-on-one coaching page, but I usually talk about that at the end. So let's find out more what's happening here with our Polygon Matic network. In other words, 30-minute candlesticks for today's price analysis. This is what's happening. Well, we are in a downtrending channel since the top that has been established on 18th of March. It's right there, and it's situated around 1.25 cents. This 1.25 cents had generated a top on 14th of May as well, with a significant reaction, including a lower high, which printed a so powerful bearish signal by engulfing the price action at the top that the markets were pulled down quite a lot. I mean, at that time, in 9 hours, we got down 12.61%, which is a lot, guys. If you're asking me, that's quite a lot, due to the fact that this kind of sell-offs used to get at a time the whole space is bearish. But during this moment, especially the last week, crypto space was not bearish. So to decrease and pull back close to 13% in a bullish circumstance is a lot. I would prefer from this cryptocurrencies to have more force in terms of finding stability at a time it is a movement against the environment. If the environment is bullish, you don't get to see the same drops like you get to see in a bearish environment, because the force, which is the main, is not dominating you. Only the secondary force that is not the main is actually in domination of a short period of time when the markets are retracing. Now, in that case scenario, I would actually expect basically from the decreases not to be that much. But at the same time, when it comes down to increasing basically 16.45% upwards straight afterwards. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, volatility index is high for Polygon. Numbers are always double digits in terms of percentages whenever we move something. Therefore, it is good to be trading it on spot. If you're asking me about leverage, personally, I'm staying away from leverage. Therefore, with these cryptos, I'm not staying away from leverage with Ethereum and BTC, which is the place I only utilize leverage with all the trades. So, very interesting structure with quite a few tops established. Another one over there, this is a little group of tops that happened around 18th of March, and we started the movement downwards. We got basically another resistance playing out there, a strong lower high made, and a great distribution downwards that has happened, which is triggering basically an effect of snowball, putting us into the liquidity zone. That is right there where I have set that rectangle. Well, this liquidity zone is already reacting. As you can see, there is 25 seconds, 20 seconds out of this candlestick existence. A new one will be created, and we're already rejecting basically the price action. At the same time, we're meeting up with the support line of the trend, the green one that we have, which is working wick by wick very accurately so far. I wouldn't be surprised basically to get a pump back to the golden pocket and resistance line, force above it, retest, and then fly. Due to the fact that at 1.16 there is resistance, guys, so we need to be careful about that one as well. That's it for the video on Polygon. Situation do not look bad as soon as you don't lose this low. If you lose that low, you need to prove it that you are gonna be back in the bull run with much more action. But if you don't lose that low right now, we are sort of away safe for the upcoming period. In other words, for those of you interested, like I said, in order to change your performance of your activity, you need to work on the source of your activity, which is always and always the source of your results is your education. You need to work on your education if you want to change your trading performance. One-on-one coaching intensively, comprehensively, between 4 weeks up to 6 weeks, live with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Been doing it since 2014. I have 2 YouTube channels where I talk about my trading business, where I present details, videos, and all those things. So you can find out more over there. There's also a video here explaining how does the coaching work. More information is on the page. But you can also request a conversation with me for free of 15 minutes, where I can present you and share with you more details. This is located at scrembocoaching.com, and for the ones looking for join the bot trading, you have basically the ability on our page to find out more as well. On the bottom right corner, you can fill out the form at this page, scrembocoaching.com/trade, and or contact me to my email. We take it forward from there. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I see you soon.